Right now, we are in the rainforest. This is no place of fun and games because you do not want to get lost out here.
But every year, stupid tourists get lost out here every week.
Had a little rough on the dismount. Let's go. Come on.
It's been nearly 3 minutes and I'm completely starving. I need to eat fast or my tummy's gonna hurt.
I have to find some food and shelter now. You can almost find these tin water almost anywhere in these rainforests.
This is incredibly dangerous, so don't ever try this at home. Do it somewhere else. It was awful.
We have a lot of ground to cover. See, I can find my shelter there. So let's go. Oh, look at that, look at that. This flower always faces towards the sun, so that means I have to move in that direction. It's raining. I have to find some shelter.
I have to get moving now before the sun goes down, because I'm afraid of ghosts.
These are some really wild bushes. Hey, look, I can see a building there. Look, there's a building. Come fast.
This terrain is incredibly disorientating, but luckily I can navigate using the stars. So if you can find the star, all you have to do is follow it, and it will always lead you home. 50% of the time.